Guys, cool. I'm not right here. It's 12:03 a.m. right now. I got the ELA state test exam, but you guys won't care about that. But anyway, this was an issue people have been having on their PS3, and I just had it. Well, people are having that their PS3 will not turn on. Like, they'll have the red light. This is the Slim, by the way, and it will just stay red, and when they turn it on, the blank screen will come up. But that happened to me, but it's like, mine was different. I had an inch there to me, I was playing that, like, frustrated. I'm in the middle of the season, actually in the middle, like, towards the end. And I'm playing with the Rangers. The Rangers 6 seed, and we're in the playoffs. We're originally first, but whatever. So, I was, going to sleep, getting ready to go to bed. So I went to turn off the system, which I did. Then, right when I turned it off, I took out that game. Wasn't going to play it tomorrow. I was like, let's play this tomorrow. Then I put on this, MLB 13 the shop. But, when I did that, the green light was just on. Nothing showed up on the screen, so I was already fucking worried. But what I did was just watching videos, because my friend had something. His was a little different, kind of more dangerous for your system. So I just unplugged the power source thing on the back, and yeah. And then when we get it, this thing went red. Thing shut off. This was red. Put this back on. Now it works perfectly. But I might actually shut it off like right now. I might change to keep this in. I might play it tomorrow. I'm not sure, but that's what you really need to do. If you guys have a different problem, I think this is the solution to it. Just like I say, if you ever have that problem, just take out the power cord in the back, and it should work again. So that's my tips on how to fix your PS3. So yeah, thank you guys. Peace, comment, subscribe. It's probably a terrible video, but I hope this helped anyway. Alright.